Sorta.
It's like, yeah, like in the forest.
No, not in the park. Out there. If you want a citation, be my guest.
Lady, like...
Yeah, she doesn't understand, like, whatever. I think we're fine.
We made it to Grand Canyon National Park, and we're not actually in the Grand Canyon though. Right below the Grand Canyon, like a mile within its border, is a national forest, Kaibab, maybe. Even the attendant didn't know. We told her we're gonna stay in the forest. She's like, oh, you're gonna get a citation. It's like, whatever. But it's really cool. You could like, this location, you can go through the Grand Canyon, drive a little, and right in the middle, you take a forest road down into the forest itself. So it's kind of confusing, but we found it on an app and now we're here. There's a couple people around. We already saw some elk on the way here, and I think the best part is that right there is a cell phone tower, so we can watch stuff, work on stuff. It's really nice because earlier there was no signal in the park. But yeah, we're planning to stay here for a couple days, and definitely gonna hike Grand Canyon. The forest smells so good. It's been very peaceful. Pretty much no one around us, no other noise other than nature. But it's time to go to Grand Canyon today because I'm ready for a hike. We found a spot to park the RV, plenty of parking, so got here just early enough. We're gonna stop by the visitor center, get a sticker, and then do the rim trail. The visitor center is closed, so we're going straight to the trail.
For today's tour, we are going to show you the Grand Canyon Rim Trail.
This squirrel is living on the edge.
Literally. We're back here for the third time. It's so beautiful, and honestly, I don't think there's enough times that you can come here to where you get bored. We were here 2 years ago and didn't think we'd be back so soon. It is breathtaking.
Yeah, it definitely brings back some memories of when we came here right after we got married. The first time we got here is right at sunset, so we were trying to drive here fast to make it so we could at least see something, but yeah, this place is just amazing. Made it. I can't believe we've been here twice and haven't done the rim trail. It's such a nice trail. It's paved. It goes along the rim of the canyon for a couple miles. The nice what? But it's a nice what?
It's a nice morning walk.
Yeah, it's just a nice morning walk. As we're walking along the rim trail, there's a lot of information signs along the way. The layers around the canyon and on top are about 200 million years old, and then going down it goes up to 1 billion. But the actual canyon is only 6 million years old, and that's pretty interesting. We were at Petrified National Park, and that whole area was 220 million years. So yeah, we were kind of surprised how that the canyon is pretty young, if you think about it. We made it to the Grand Canyon Village, and that's the end of our hike. The rim trail goes on for miles from here, but this is our stopping point. We had a quick snack and also stopped at a Navajo store. Got this cool sweater. You're gonna have to see future videos of us wearing it somewhere in the cold, but like, what an impulse buy. But we were both like, we will regret it if we don't get this.
Where are you now?
We made it back to our RV. We're gonna shower here in the parking lot and then go back to the village, drive over there to dump and get more water. And then we're gonna go to another part of the park, the east side desert viewpoint. All right, we made it to the Desert View Tower. It was about a 30-minute drive here, so we were on the west side of the park. Now we're on the east. You could see the river.
This is so cool. Just look at all this. This trip has been awesome. Can't wait to come back. Can't believe we already visited the Grand Canyon and it's all done. This is one of the best views of the canyon, the Desert View Tower.